Squirrel, biology, behavior, and ecological importance. Squirrel are among the most familiar and charming small mammals found around us. Whether in forest, village groves, city parks, school campus, or home gardens, squirrels are easily recognized by the small size, quick movements, and long busy tails. They belong to the rodent group and are known for their agility, intelligence, and habit of storing food. Although squirrel appears to be a simple creatures, they play a very important role in maintaining ecological balance and supporting the forest regeneration. Their close association with the human settlement also makes them excellent example of coexistence between wildlife and humans. Squirrels belong to the animals kingdom, Animalia, and are classified under the phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Rodentia, family Squirrelidae. The family Squirrelidae includes the squirrels. There are more than 280 species of squirrel found across the world, except in Antarctica and Australia. In India, the most common species are the Indian palm squirrel, Funambulus palmurum, and Funambulus fininti. Squirrels are broadly divided into three major types based on their habitat and lifestyle. Tree squirrel live mostly on the tree and are the excellent climbers. They use their sharp claws and strong hind legs to move swiftly along branches. Their long tails help them maintain the balance while jumping. Ground squirrel live in the burrow dug into the soil. They are commonly found in the grassland, open field, and the semi-arid regions. These squirrels often live in colonies and used underground tunnels for protection from predators. Flying squirrel. The flying squirrel do not actually fly but gilt from one tree to another using a special fold of skin called the patagium, which stretch between their front and hind limb. This adaptation helps them escape the predators and move efficiently through the forest canopies. Physical characteristics of the squirrel are the small to medium-sized mammals. Their body length usually ranges from 20 to 30 centimeters, while the tail is often equal or longer than the body. Keen of the physical features, the body covered with the soft fur, usually the brown, grey or reddish, large, the bright eyes adapted for the alert vision, shape, curved claws and climbing and digging. The strong front incisor that grow continuously, bushy tail used to balance the warmth and communication. Their teeth are specially adapted for the ganging hard objects like nuts and seeds. The continuous growth of the incisor is controlled by the constant wear through the chewing. Habitat and distribution. The squirrel are highly adaptable animal. They are found in a wide variety of habitat such as dense forest, woodlands, grassland, agriculture areas, urban park, gardens and buildings. Tree squirrel, they build nest called the drawer made of leaves, twig, grass and fur. These nests are usually located high up the trees to protect them from the predators. Food habitat with the squirrel are the omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and animal matter. Their diet include the nuts such as the peanuts, walnut and almonds, the seeds and grains, fruits like the mangoes, bananas, guavas and berries, flower and birds, occasionally insect, birds' eggs and small invertebrates. One of the most remarkable habitat of the squirrel is found food catching. They collect and hide the food in different locations to use the later during the period of scarcity. Many of these hidden seeds are forgotten and later germinate into the new plants. Behavior and intelligence. The squirrel are active and alert and intelligent animals. They are mostly diurnal, the meaning they are actively during the day. Their behavior includes the rapid running and jumping, constant tail movements, sharp wearing, the call during the danger, quick response to environmental changes. They use the vocal sound and tail signal to communicate with other squirrel. Their alertness helps them escape the predators like snakes, birds or prey, cats and dogs. Reproduction and life cycles of the squirrels are usually the breed once or twice a year depending on the species and climate. Gestational period about 40 to 45 days. Number of the youngs usually 2 to 6. Newborns are the blind, hairless and helpless. Mother squirrel provide food, warmth and protection. The young squirrel open their eyes after a few weeks. They gradually learns the climbing and the foraging skill. Within the 2 to 3 months, they become the independent. Relationship with human. The squirrel have adapted remarkably well to human environment. They are often seen near the houses, temples, school and marketplace. Positive aspect, they create awareness about the wildlife among children, enhance the beauty of the natural surroundings, help in seed dispersal and plant growth. Negative aspect, sometimes damage the fruits and crops, build nest in roof or electric lines, maturing the wires and wooden structure. However, these problems are the minor compared to the ecological benefit. Ecological importance, the squirrel plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem health. Seed dispersal, by hiding the seeds and nuts in different places, the squirrel unintentionally help the plant spread and grow in the new areas. Forest regeneration, many forest trees depend on animal like the squirrel for regeneration. Forgotten seeds, the sprout into the sapling, the supporting the forest continuously. Food chain, squirrel are an important link in the food chain. They serve as a prey for the larger animals and birds of the prey. Threats to the squirrel. Along the squirrel are not the globally endangered. There the populations are the declining in some areas due to deforestation, urban expansion, loss of trees, use of pesticides, road accident and electric wire. Conservation measure, to protect the squirrel, the following steps are important. The planting and protecting trees, conserving the forest and green space, reducing the pesticides use, creating the awareness through the education, encouraging the coexistence with urban wildlife. School and communities can play a major role by observing and protecting the local squirrel population. Squirrel are the small yet significant creature of nature. Their presence indicate a healthy and balanced environment through the role in seed dispersal, forest regeneration and the food chain. Squirrel contribute greatly to the biodiversity. Protecting the squirrel means the protecting trees, forest and ecological harmony. As responsible humans, it is our duty to respect and conserve these lively animals so that the future generation can continue to enjoying their presence. Thank you, Dr. Mrinal Kanti De. Research activity done and voice and video compiler by Songita Mondol.